Hey guys, today I will be showing you it's a new problem within these Samsung phones that the sound tends to crackle. Like you hear the little hiss, you hear the like little cracking in the the internal speaker. Also, when you connect your headphones. So today I'll show you how to fix that. Hopefully that helps you guys out. So what you're gonna want to do is open your phone, go to music app, right? And then once you're in music, let me show you here. Go to more and go to Sound Alive. Now for this is just for S7 Edge, but the way you could also get to the Sound Alive and other Samsungs. I don't know if that happens to LGs or other type of phones, but the way you get into Sound Alive and Samsung, especially S6, S5 or whatnot, you could go to sound quality and then settings or something. You should be able to find it. Once you find it, you're gonna want to see this thing right here called UHQ upscaler. Excuse me. That should be disabled by default. Like you shouldn't be able to use it if you haven't used it before. So what you want to do is, where it go? Right here. What you want to do is to enable it. Get a headphone, regular headphone, and once you plug it in, you will be able to, right here, you should be able to use it. So after you turn it on, you could just turn it back off, and you will notice that hissing should be gone. If not, keep it on for a little bit of time, and because it's a software bug, it's not your internal speaker problem, so that should be able to do it. One more thing that I found that's specific to my problem is that last night I downloaded this app called ACR sound call recorder, and just to test it out and stuff, and as soon as I downloaded it, and at night I was playing music, and as soon as I did that, the speaker started cracking up, and so I deleted it and it fixed the problem. So if some of you out there that downloaded the ACR or any type of sound recorder, to be honest, maybe that's the thing that's causing the problem. So make sure you look at that, uninstall it, see if it fixes the problem. If not, then do the UHQ scaler. It should be helping you guys out. So if that helps you guys out, comment down below, see what was your problem and what fixed it, so other people could benefit from it. That'll be all for today. Peace out, guys.